I have some sand leaking out of a cone, and it tells me in this problem how fast that sand is leaking, and they asked me to find out how long it'll take until the cone is completely empty. So since we're talking about how much space something holds, I'm going to need to find the volume of this cone. So to find volume, recall, of a cone, it's the area of the base times the height and then divided by 3. So there's two things I'll need to know to start. I'll need to know the base area, the area of the circle, as well as the height of the cone in order to calculate its volume. Well, I can see from the diagram the height of the cone is going to be 6. From the top to the bottom is 6 centimeters, so that's my height. To find the area of the base, since I'm dealing with a cone, of course that base is going to be a circle, so I've got 4 times radius squared to find the area of a circle. Getting an approximate answer, that area comes out to be approximately 50.24. So using those two pieces of information, I can find the volume of this cone using my formula right there. So I'm going to do the base area times the height and then divide that by 3. When I calculated that, I worked ahead in my notes to get this answer. I came up with an answer of 100.48 cubic centimeters. Now that's the volume of the cone, but the question this time wasn't to find its volume, it was to find out how long it will take till the cone is empty of sand. And so what they've told me was every second there's 36.07 cubic centimeters of sand leaving this cone. So what I need to do is figure out how many times 36.07 goes into my volume. So in other words, I need to divide. So 100.48, the volume I just found, divide that by 36.07, gets me a final answer of about 2.79. And now this was a time I was finding, and I can see from my label that I'm working with seconds. So a little under 3 seconds is all it's going to take for this cone to be empty of sand.